Good morning, Tilly. It's day 11. You ready to eat? Are you cold? Fix your ear. Tilly, good morning. It's coffee time. Come on. Yeah. Tilly, day 11. We're doing construction at the neighbor's house. Tilly's surveying, supervising.
Let you go.
Good morning, Tilly. Hi. It's decision day. Stretch. Stretchy stretch. Today's decision day. Do you feel better? And walking. It's time to eat. Okay, come on. Okay, sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay. It's coffee time, Tilly. Oh, she's worried about breakfast. Today's the day we have to make the decision. Do you want a dog? Tilly, should we keep you? You're kind of a brat. Today's a big, big day. We have to make a decision. We're in the coffee chair. We got to talk about if you're going to get to stay with us forever. What do you think? I mean, what do you think we should do about keeping Tilly?
We decided to keep her.
It's been a while since we've had a dog. And we like to travel, but Mimi says she'll keep her if we need to. It's day 12. Day 12. You chewing on my plug? This is the day that we're deciding if you get to stay forever and you decide to chew the first thing. What's that about? Do you feel bad? Do you feel guilty? Go for a walkie? Let's go. Your dad went to go volunteer, so it's just you and me. All right, this is the day that we are seriously discussing whether we're keeping Tilly, and she's always such a good dog, and she's having the worst walk. Good girl. Look, I'm talking bad about her. She chewed a phone cord. She's having the worst walk. She won't walk right, but I think it's because, she's having a bad walk. I think it's because everyone's trash cans are out. Like, she's scared of the trash cans.
Come here, Tilly.
Tilly needs a sister.
Okay, come here, Maggie. See, I like Tilly.
Maggie.
This is her talking.
This ugly yard, what the fern did to my plants. Right now we're gonna go meet another neighbor who I think wants to play. She needs a playmate. She's riding in my car for the first time, so she's a little weird today. Okay. They're about the same size. Hi, girl. We think we met our best friend today to play with, didn't we? Do you love Layla? You love Layla? Tilly, today's the day. Do you promise to try and learn how to sleep through the night? Oh, okay, sit. Tilly, do you promise to learn how to get potty trained and go outside the doggy door? Sit, and not make me walk you in the middle of the night, or Keith walk you in the middle of the night? Or you, yeah. And you have a doggy door? You met a best friend today? And learn your food manners and quit jumping on us while we're eating. Okay, she's sitting so nice, watching Keith eat. Normally she likes to jump up and jump on the plate. Very good. Good night, Tilly.